All right, it's been 24 hours with this. Go ahead and remove it. And then go ahead and check it too. Make sure it spins too. That one looks good. That one looks good, yeah. Yep, they look good. All right, take this, put some lube right in the holes right here and on this side too. And then just fill up the whole sides. Right there, around it. And put some right here too. Just like that. And go ahead and take this. These go in the hole, the little notches. Line it up and then press down. And now it's not gonna fall out whenever you go to put the pump inside the transmission. All right, go ahead and take your 7 bolts that goes inside the pump that's connected to the transmission, and you got seals right here. Put the seals on here and put it all the way on. Okay, and make sure it goes in the seat right here. Push it down and then put some transmission fluid on that seal, just like so, and add you a little bit of transmission fluid on the threads. Just like so. I don't think you can see that in the camera, but it's on there, you see. All right, do that for all the bolts. All right, what I like to do, I like to put some on the threads down here. Not the threads, but where the bolts go. Just like that. Here, 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 there, and there. Okay, now, since you got all that, go ahead and line the whole thing. I could have done that. Just spread it around so whenever you go to drop your pump in, it go in smoother. Go healthy on it. Make sure you get it on here and here. So the gasket can stick and won't go anywhere whenever you go to install the pump and put the bolts in. The gasket will be sticking to this lube. Okay. Go ahead and get your gasket. I think that's it right there. Yeah, that's it. All right, go ahead and take your pump. This end goes down to the 6 o'clock. Just like so. Line it up. All right, go ahead and take 2 bolts. See if you can get it in there. That's one. And go ahead and get you another. See if it will seat. Yep, that's it. Hand do it. Don't go crazy. Do not go crazy. Don't use a power tool. Just use your fingers and a wrench. But hand start it first. Hand start all of them. All right, get you a 13 millimeter and go 3 turns. All right, take your torque wrench and set it for 220. And make sure you're holding the case. Oop, lost my bit. Or I lost my socket. Yeah, go in a X pattern. Now I'm just making sure I got them all. Yep, I got them all. So this is what it will look like when you're done. This is the case, and that right there is the pump. It looks pretty good.